shelf, crowded room, still imagination refuse every limit. Text. Each torn chapter leave a question unchecked. Map lose color, blackboard lose space, yet curiosity shine from every face. One short pencil pass from chair to chair, no working lamp in the study area. Them labeled the district incapable and slow, while withholding the tools that could help talent show. Laboratory locked with equipment unused, workshop abandoned and computers removed. Music class cancelled, art cupboard sealed, every creative doorway gradually concealed. Youth them have questions bigger than the room, ideas searching for somewhere to bloom. Not from earth but through knowledge and skill, a mind denied resources still carries strong will.
Hungry eye,
it hungry if you know.
Pages, training and a safe place to go.
Ability waiting but support moves slow. Open education and watch brilliant show. A hopeful fight, note melody,
circles,
the piano, while the bass changes direction beneath it. Them clear one storeroom beside the old lane, repair broken tables and replace every pane. Borrowed encyclopedias line up by theme. Local electrician demonstrate each machine. Writers bring stories,
mechanics bring tools.
Graduates return
with alternative rules.
No entrance charge and no privilege list. Every willing learner gain equal access. Knowledge is shelter,
skill is a key.
Give youth a pathway
and room to be free.
Soon examination figures begin to transform. New confidence challenge the accepted norm. One become a nurse, one design bridges, one document life through remarkable images. Talent once dismissed, now travel abroad, still returning support to the place them applaud. Hungry hard earn a respected new name, not true charity but an equitable aim. Hungry hard, no feeding each mind,
opening chances once difficult to find.
Books, craft and guidance
working combined.
No neighborhood's future should be left behind. Teach one, every bright mind.
Each one
must receive each chance. Hey. Yeah. Na 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 na. Morning breeze, yeah. Morning breeze, morning breeze, shake the zinc fence line. Ancient drum call every heart to combine. From hillside ground to the harbor stone, truth find a voice when the people chant strong. Market mother count one solitary bean, while polished motorcade roll through the scene. Picnic read scripture by candlelight glow, yet warehouse full and them cupboard run low. They measure poor life by receipt and fee, but no stamp paper can bury dignity. Everywhere we hand, we cultivate the land, carry living evidence Babylon can't withstand. Chant down Babylon with truth in our tune. No blade, no gun, just the seed sown. And join until the false wall gone. Jah light guide we when the night draw long. While the cargo sail, rich man toast when the worker's strength fail. Cane feel sweat, sweeten somebody tea, but bitterness remain for the whole family. Them lock up the grain and increase every price, then preach to the hungry about humble sacrifice. One vice alone might fade with the rain, but 1,000 together shape corruption chain. Chant down Babylon, make righteousness sound. From Kingston lane to the small country ground, truth take root where oppression was found. When poor people unite, every false crown come down. Them paint pretty promise pon election wall, then deaf to the sufferer whenever them call. Radio trumpet every decorated lie, but hungry belly truth have a sharper reply. Watchman write every deed in a time, every stolen harvest and concealed crime. No fortress high and no curtain wide can shelter injustice when the witnesses rise. Geek based meditation, spring reverb skank, melodica answers over Nyabinghi and brass. One heart, no division. One aim, restoration. One truth, no corruption. Jah guide, deliberation. Now schoolhouse open where the barracks once stand. Seed return freely to the farmer demand. We don't receive what the ledger denied, and the innocent name stand clean worldwide. We remember the wound of forgiveness begin. For peace without truth, let injustice back in. Build every tomorrow upon an honest foundation. Read books and honor for the coming generation. Chant down Babylon, let righteousness reign. Restore every name and repay every pain. And join unto the sunshine and rain. Truth build the future. No chains again. No chains again. The people stand strong. Justice carry on. Chant down Babylon. Whoa! Heavy load beneath a quiet face, still him carry grace. Before cock crow, him foot touch mall. Lunched in empty, yet him journey far. Mixing mortar for a mansion tall, while rain push through him homeboard wall. Cement does settle in every fold. Young in a years, but him knuckles look old. Evening find him pan a crowded ride, saving one last kind with him hunger inside. Do not name those tears defeat. Salt water sometimes keeps a spirit clean. When a poor man cry, he gotta learn him name. Moon lean low and observe him strain. Not every sorrow need a trumpet or flame. Some grief falls softly, yet it carry great weight. Seamstress bend where the bull burn weak. Need to run fast though her eyesight bleak. Landlord knuckle hard against the door. School shoes waiting on the concrete floor. She fold each garment with careful pride, hide every worry from the youth them side. Her palms make beauty she will never wear. Still she comb tomorrow through her daughter's hair. Before daylight show, he mend every knot by a hurricane lamp. Sea breeze cold and the bedding damp. Though the catch run small and the cupboard bare, him divide two sprat with the neighbor next door.
Tears are not chains, tears are not shame.
They wash hidden burdens
from a heart under strain.
One morning soon every unheard life will stand in the open beyond silent strife. Build our own shelter, seamstress see clear. Fisherman bargain without hidden fear. No charity spectacle, no pitying gaze. Only fair reward for the work of their days. Until that season put an end to despair. Let compassion move where neglect once lived there.
If a poor man cries,
never turn from this sound.
A wall buried history,
maybe soak in the ground.
Lift him with respect,
never press him further down.
Dignity belongs
wherever hardship is found. Heavy load, quiet grace.
Morning must embrace
every forgotten face. Carbon copy hide beneath the file. Ink may blur, but fact keep its profile. Them change the date on the statement page. Seal one folder inside iron cage. Clerk mark the margin before it disappear. Small black symbol make the meaning clear. Chairman sign with a confident hand. Expect every question to follow command. But pressure cannot alter what occurred. A policy cannot silence every word. Truth no bow to a badge or chair. No dress itself in official fear. Curtain may close and the hallway clear. What really happened still remains somewhere. Printer receive an edited release. Whole crucial paragraph cut out neat. Photograph negative show the missing face. Clock in the corner establish time and place. Them purchase headlines and soften each claim. Pin calculated scandal pan an innocent name. Yet one uncut copy survived the disguise, holding every detail them try neutralize. Truth no bend when the powerful insist, no vanish because it was crossed from a list. Falsehood wear silk and still get dismissed when one clear record continue to exist. Traces a descending phrase, bass and organ move through, widening tape echo. Barrister arrive with a rehearsed defense, building tall language around weak pretense. Numbers disagree with the story them frame. Two separate ledgers never balance the same. Signature tremble where the payment was drawn. Wax impression prove the document wrong. Every quiet detail join into a line till deception expose its complete design. No title can revise it, no uniform can own it, no lock room can reduce it, no threat can overthrow it. Archive door open, every file return. Private correspondence reveal the concern. Accused man's record finally wiped clean. Public now discover what concealment mean. Compensation paid, yet the listen remain. Power without conscience will offend again. Right every finding where all eyes can see, and are restored through accountability. Truth no bow when the whole scheme fall. It stand full height before one and all. Clear the man's name, record who caused it all. Let consequence answer when responsibility calls. Ink cannot command it, wrong cannot control it. Truth stand up right. Station lamps drain color from him coat. Foreign bowels circle beneath the iron roof. One small suitcase resting by him shoe. A stitched address being all that guide him through. Terrace buildings vanish into chimney haze. Double-decker windows frame unfamiliar ways. Vacancy notices disappear at first sight. Polite expressions harden underneath electric light. Each closed doorway carry the identical tone. Plenty crowded buildings, yet him feel alone. Beneath him knitted vest, while silent rejection settle heavily on him chest. carriage race beneath the street. Nobody acknowledge whom their glances meet. At the employment office, courtesy turned thin, accent become reason to let him in. Qualifications folded inside him, traveling case dismissed before examination could take place. The city judged quickly by complexion and sound, reducing a complete life to arrival from abroad. System too cold for a Caribbean soul. Winter reached further than temperature control. It entered through custom, permission and roll, trying to fracture what migration kept whole. Latitude cannot redefine him. Rejection cannot erase him. Distance cannot empty him. Strangeness cannot replace him. Him rent one attic beneath railway beams. Right island colors through monochrome dreams. Blue coast return whenever him close both eyes. Salt air and limestone under copper skies. He guard every phrase of him natural speech. Refuse to reshape it for acceptance. To reach what them call foreign. Remain precious and true. A complete inheritance, traveling safely through. Years later, him passport carry weathered crease, but him spirit no longer beg permission for peace. He crossed many borders without losing him core. No frozen institution can diminish him anymore. Great and leave marks at Jamaica remain inside every cadence and remembered refrain. System stay cold, but in purpose endure. Identity protected, self-knowledge secure. Far from the island, still fully himself. No foreign winter can conquer this soul. A painted face stare, counting every movement beneath it with care. Officials believe every hour belong to the order them establish and enforce for too long. At 9 metal shutters cover each store. Boot inspection start beside every door. Searchlight travel over rooftop and lane. Permission determine who may remain. Curfew notice stretch across concrete blocks. Civilian freedom measured by clocks. Them regulate motion, arrival and rest, as if human existence require their request. Babylon clock, calculate command, dividing each hour with an authorized hand. But time never sign what dominion demand. Every empire expire despite what it planned. above the closed avenue. Officials dine, crystal glass flashing beneath chandelier shine. Silk covered tables conceal private fear. Another completed cycle bring consequence near. Them toast permanence and celebrate rank, while confidence leak from each fortified bank. No guarded tower and no ceremonial role can negotiate privately with time's control. 1 minute withheld, 1 century examined, 1 structure trembling beneath its own timing. Cracks cross the clock face from center to rim. Gold painted numbers gradually turn dim. Gear teeth fracture inside the high frame, yet officers continue maintaining the claim. Each delayed reform increased public strain. Each harsh restriction shortened them reign. Authority watches the final count fall, discovering too late it was never eternal. 10 for deception concealed behind rank, 9 for resources removed from the bank, 8 for confinement imposed without cause, 7 for rewriting protective laws, 6 for surveillance extended too far, 5 for each unexplained detention scar, 4 for contempt of civilian appeal, 3 for refusing conditions to heal, 2 for the fear them could no longer disguise. 1 final second and the structure expires. Curfew signs loosened from abandoned posts. Searchlights extinguish along the coast. Locked intersections become open space. No official schedule dictate human pace. The tower remain as a warning in stone. Control built on terror will collapse on its own. Time move forward without asking consent. Babylon clock reach its final event. No extension granted, no hour return. Dominion concluded, the lesson preserved. Numbers promise fortune through a crooked maze. Pay packet folded beside my glass, certain that one lucky throw would multiply cash. Every losing state demand another try. False calculation keep desire occupied. Cards turn slowly beneath yellow light. Confidence disappear with each wagered night. I called it recreation, harmless and brief, while appetite quietly operate like a thief. Silvering emptiness out, risk become habit before recognition arrive. Credit runner notice tool I select, offering another amount I could never protect. the result return me to the identical place. No locks surround me, yet leaving feel forbidden. No guard restrain me, yet captivity stay hidden. One final way, just strip illusion away. No thrill remain, and no pleasure could stay. Mirror reveals someone difficult to defend, chasing probability beyond every end. I study the craving instead of obey. Allow its demand to rise, weaken and decay. For once I remain when temptation depart, separating impulse from decision in my heart. Examine, refuse, begin again. I cancel each account and avoid every room where calculated fantasy previously bloomed. Not from earth but inside my deceived imagination, a private escape becoming domination. Every borrowed pound returned by degrees, restlessness softened without guaranteed ease. Freedom arrived through repeated control, a deliberate practice rebuilding the whole. No chain forever when its pattern become known. No craving is an unquestioned throne. I reclaim each choice that compulsion once owned. Steady in judgment, accountable and grown. Chance no rule me, laws no define me. Choice return fully, captivity release me. Excavator teeth tear through limestone face. Red mineral dust cover the loading place. Company expand the unsurveyed zone, breaking entire ridges for shipment of stone. Refinery chimney stain the afternoon gray. Heavy vehicles grind through the access way. Profit leave quickly through an overseas route. Chemical residue remain after extraction move out. Holding pan weakened beneath caustic waste. Rust-colored liquid enter the coastal basin with haste. Fish rise lifeless where clear water flows. Salt reef darkened beneath poisonous load. Testing team collect from 6 separate sites. Each sealed sample confirm unsafe heights. Manager deny what the figures reveal, yet damage marine life make concealment unreal. Aluminium high, mercury detected, water unsuitable, responsibility neglected. Company stage tours to a polished estate, keeping inspection far from the contaminated state. Fresh paint cover pipes close to public view, while hidden discharge continue passing through. Independent divers photograph every scar, tracing chemical spread from the processing yard. Coordinates connect each affected location. No public relations campaign can reverse contamination. A reef cannot submit an appeal. A coastline cannot sign consent. Damage still carries consequence without human argument. License suspended and production ceased. Waste channel blocked from approaching the sea. Company compelled to finance repair. Publish every result and accept public glare. Executive bonus redirected by decree toward long-term testing of marine chemistry. Extraction no longer outrank preservation. Industry must answer for environmental devastation. Judgment reached the refinery gate, not through revenge but evidence weight. Whatever power attempt to conceal, consequence follow what action reveal. Protect every coastline before loss become vast. No amount of revenue can purchase the past. Machinery halted, discharge contained, liability established, the coastline reclaimed. Gold cuffling glitter at the embassy gate. Rented limousine deliver him fashionably late. Penthouse leased under complicated terms. Silk suit purchased with finance confirmed. Hired entourage surround every pose. Imitation diamond fastened beneath him clothes. Society column describe him as grand, yet nothing displayed truly belong to the man. Crown them borrow, throne them rent. Prestige constructed for money already spent. Appearance impressive but support badly bent. Splendor disappear when the lender collect. Champagne tower rise in a private hotel. Imported fragrance cover anxiety. Well, he greet title guests with an artificial grace, carefully arranging each photograph placement. Luxury vehicle waiting outside for display, required to return before closing next day. Every boast grow larger than the previous claim, till invention and identity nearly become the same. Marble imitation, jewels, colored glass, residence temporary, reputation built too fast. Finance company reclaim the automobile first. Designer wardrobe disappear after the second reverse. Hotel deactivate access to the suite. High-rate companions no longer compete. Portraits come down from the temporary hall. Gold-plated emblem detached from the wall. Without decoration surrounding him frame, he faced the empty center beneath borrowed fame. Sky. No camera flash soften what appeared to him eyes. He removed each title attached without right. Examine examine his conduct beyond public sight. Worth cannot arrive through a purchase display. Respect cannot flourish through debt and cliche. A decorated surface may capture attention, but character alone sustain recognition. Crown them borrow, but dignity earn. False elevation always require return. Leave rented glory and vanity concern. Build personal honor through lessons discern. No borrowed title, no manufactured rank. Simply accountable with appearance left blank. Yeah, 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 yeah. My first syllable struggle to leave, caught between intention and breath I receive. Certain words stop at the edge of my lip. Whole sentences scatter before them complete. Others express devotion fluent and clear, while mine arrive slowly divided by fear. I wonder if heaven wait for perfect speech, or understand meaning that language cannot reach. Jah hear the small and unfinished request, the trembling breath held close to the chest. No polished sentence required to impress. Sincerity enter where language express less. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. I used to hide whenever attention drawn near, ashamed of each pause that everybody could hear. Practice long phrases, rehearse every start. Still pressure, rearrange the route from thought to mouth. Embarrassment persuade me silence was best. So important feelings remain unexpressed, yet inward devotion never lose its place, even when speech could not maintain a pace. No eloquence demanded, no performance required, no fluent display requested, only an honest desire. Now I approach without correcting each break. Allow every syllable, whatever distance it take. If one word arrive, then one word is enough. Divine understanding, no consider it rough. I release comparison and unnecessary shame, knowing hesitation cannot weaken my aim. Acceptance no mean every struggle disappear. It mean I stop treating my difference as fear. Jah hear the small before language begin, recognizing tension residing within. My stammer remain, but confidence return. Self-worth no depend on how smoothly words turn. I offer each fragment exactly as it come, nothing rejected and nothing undone. A pause is not emptiness, a fragment is not failure. Every sincere expression arrive complete before Jah. Jah, I approach without decorated phrase, without pretending I understand all your ways. My mind carry questions I cannot dismiss. Faith without inquiry feel incomplete like this. If doubt is forbidden, then fear take control. If thought is condemned, what matured is soul. I refuse to perform what my conscience rejects, so I enter this prayer with complete self-respect. Why do some leaders demand blind belief, then use sacred authority to increase private relief? Why threaten damnation whenever them challenge, as though divine purpose depend on them advantage? Why praise submission but excuse cool behavior, then claim every action receive holy favor? I cannot accept manipulation as grace. Spiritual coercion have no rightful place. This rebel prayer carry neither curse nor threat. It bring honest questions religion may forget. I seek understanding without manufactured debt, and devotion no institution can privately collect. I will not call terror a righteous command, or surrender my judgment to an influential man. I will not purchase pardon or bargain for peace, as though mercy require an expensive release. I will not confuse wrong with sacred perfection, or label disagreement a form of rejection. If belief cannot face careful scrutiny, then what it defend is merely insecurity. Examine my motive, correct my conceit, remove empty doctrine, leave compassion complete. Sometimes rebellion disguise personal pride. Sometimes independence becomes somewhere to hide. I may reject guidance before weighing it well, or admire my resistance more than what it reveals. Keep me from arrogance dressed as a quest. Let humility challenge what certainty suggests. I ask not permission to consider and learn, only wisdom to recognize each necessary turn. Give me belief that no question can break, conviction awake enough to notice mistake. Keep conscience active and compassion sincere. Let devotion mature without dependence on fear. I seek no approval for appearing devout, only a life where integrity survive every doubt. If rebellion remove what deception installed, then receive this prayer unfinished but whole. Not blind obedience, not empty display, a faith fully examined, still choosing Jah's way. After affection turned deceptive and strange, I constructed protection no apology could change. Layer upon layer, deliberate and dense, every disappointment converted to defense. I removed each entrance and covered each seam. Suspicion became architect of every scheme. Nothing could enter but nothing could leave. Shelter from injury also prevented relief. You approach carefully without claiming a right. Kept proper distance and respected each limit. No forced entrance, no demand for a key, no attempt to decide what recovery should be. Consistency arrived without theatrical display, remaining dependable in an ordinary way. I examined each action for concealed intent, but patience stayed steady without argument. A narrow opening formed where certainty had been, small enough for honesty to travel within. Not sudden surrender, not protection withdrawn, only one rigid conclusion, gradually gone. All this stone was an unresolved ache, not hatred of closeness, but dread of mistake. I had confused isolation with complete control, ignoring the cost of enclosing the whole. You never requested that history be denied, or treated old damage as something to hide. Accountability mattered, boundaries remained. Care nor require that caution be shamed. Mortar loosened from pressure within, letting possibility cautiously begin. Every new opening receive careful review. Access depend upon conduct remaining true. No fantasy promise, no permanent claim. Only two adults learning each other again. What develops slowly may still become strong, provided both recognize when something feels wrong. Stone wall crack, but it never collapsed. Wisdom preserve what affection once lacked. One passage remain where connection can pass, wide enough for closeness, secure enough to last. Protection adjusted, access considered, affection permitted, selfhood delivered. Transport crate arrive beneath a canvas frame. Foreign handlers assign the creature a stage name. Iron enclosure barely allow him to turn. Harsh floodlights remain while his watchful eyes burn. Them advertise royalty reduced to display, selling admission to observe him obey. But captivity never convinced him it right. His body remained guarded, his presence upright. or direct him toward a painted stool, expecting submission as part of the rule. A polished command pole indicate where to lie, remain motionless with defiance in him eye. Spectators wait for a rehearsed routine, yet no obedient gesture enter the scene. Them shorten the program and cover their shame, unable to master the will them could not tame. Lion no kneel for the keeper's demand. Captivity cannot make humiliation stand. A royal creature no exists to be scanned as entertainment arranged by a controlling hand. Management tighten the enclosure each week, mistaking restriction for power complete. His coat lose luster beneath artificial glare. Heavy pacing reveals psychological wear. Veterinary visitor observe every sign, rejecting the claim that conditions were fine. Operating permit withdrawn from the show. Legal possession receive an immediate no. Team arrive with a spacious crate. No command routine and no spectacle to create. Careful examination precede relocation. Secure transport begin toward conservation. Miles of enclosure replaced in narrow display. Rock shelter and open distance restore natural sway. No painted stool and no audience stare. Only sufficient territory and responsible care. Lion no kneel, yet him never need fight. Refusal alone defend what captivity denied. Remove every cage built for profit and pride, while dignity belongs where freedom resides. No staged obedience, no purchase control. Royal by nature, unbroken and whole. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Three concrete steps separate pavement from bus. Driver indicate that the route cannot carry us. Ticket counter position beyond seated reach. Printed directions unavailable, inaccessible speech. Government entrance have no suitable incline. Lift remain broken beneath an outdated sign. Them describe exclusion as unfortunate delay, while inaccessible design remove independence each day. Qualified applicant face an upstairs interview. No alternative entrance and no adjustment in view. Blind commuter receive no tactile indication. Deaf passenger miss an emergency notification. Public convenience built impossibly narrow. Simple movement forced through a difficult channel. These are not favors somebody may choose. Equal participation is a right them refuse. People rise up however we move, standing or seated with nothing to prove. Cane, chair or crutch never lessen our view. Access belong to every citizen too. and understand. No property damage, no passerby harm. Disciplined presence keep every participant calm. Officials attempt to postpone consultation, but nobody leave without firm confirmation. Ramps built correctly, lips kept repaired, information accessible, employment made fair, routes clearly announced, doorways made wide, decisions involving us must include us inside. Transport Authority publish an enforceable plan, retrofitting vehicles across the urban span. Building regulations receive stronger revision. Workplace exclusion face formal prohibition. Independent inspectors assess every site, removing structural barriers previously denied. Progress require more than a ceremonial phrase. Access must function throughout ordinary days. People rise up means claiming equal place, rejecting every structure that obstructs participation. Different bodies carry equivalent worth. Freedom of movement is a right from birth. Design every city for the full human range. Inclusion becomes real through measurable change. No separate entrance, no restricted route. Full participation, nothing less will do.
Babylon, dun, 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 dun. Babylon enter, certain the contest already won. Displaying decorated pieces beneath artificial sun. Every opening movement designed to impress, advancing without studying the hidden address. Opponent remain composed across the palace square, observing each weakness that ambition leave there. No hurried reaction and no reckless display. Careful calculation, prepare a patient way. Them occupy the center and stretch too wide, leaving vital protection exposed on each side. Diagonal obstructed by them own excessive reach. Vanity prevent what experience could teach. One dramatic capture receive immediate praise, yet create vulnerabilities inside the maze. Babylon count territory, position and gain, never considering what them cannot maintain. Wide occupation, weak foundation, confident appearance, poor calculation. Pawn surrender to open one file, making apparent defeat seem worthwhile. Babylon accept without checking the cost, certain another opposing piece had been lost. Then a narrow passage emerged through the rank, redirecting pressure toward an unguarded flank. What looked insignificant altered the entire route. Pride recognized danger when escape merely run out. Oh, one square withdrawn, then another concede. Every retreat caused by unnecessary greed. Remaining defense become awkward until no forceful advance can recover the position. A single pawn crossed toward the opposite line, changing its station through disciplined design. Babylon lose ground without chaos or fight, outmatched by patience applied with insight.
logic excess. Restraint achieve what aggression could not possess. Babylon surveyed the board with nowhere to move. Power without wisdom finally disproved. Position surrender, arrogance exposed. Endgame completed, the contest closed.
Foreign authority occupy the official seat, directing island affairs from an overseas retreat. Governor's emblem overlook every decree. Imperial preference define policy. Customs and commerce answer distant control. Imported standards determine acceptable role. Self-government develop through organized demand. Repairing Jamaica to administer its land. August 6 approach with expectation high. Black, green and gold wait beneath the sky. At midnight, colonial colors descend. A separate national chapter begin. Crowd fill Kingston with emotion restrained. Watching political authority formally change. No longer described as possession abroad. Jamaica, internationhood, recognized by law. Oh no, oh no, no, no. Freedom draw near through persistent endeavor. Our people no remain colonial forever. Raise the new banner with responsible care. Independence arrive, but duty begin there. Foreign companies still dominate trade. External finance influence decisions being made. Luxury imports receive preferential space, while local enterprise struggle to establish its place. Colonial assumptions remain deeply impressed inside public conduct, appearance and address. A flag can announce constitutional release, but ownership determine whether autonomy increase. Follow Jamaican language without apology. Preserve national memory with accurate chronology. Let artistic expression define its own worth. No foreign approval determine cultural birth. Protect island resources from careless disposal. Examine each international proposal. Partnership welcome when terms remain fair. Independence weaken when control disappear elsewhere. Freedom no finish when the ceremony end. It require vigilance each decade extend. Govern with accountability, courage and care. Keep national benefit central everywhere. Black represent hardship,
green possibility.
gold carry sunlight,
The natural prosperity.
defense self-determination beyond annual display. Make independence live through each policy.
May
A colony concluded, a nation declared, the first freedom achieved,
the deeper freedom prepared.
earth fall beneath like a sphere dressed in blue. Physical weight disappear from my view. Awareness move outward beyond ordinary sight, passing through regions of colorless light. No road indicate where the journey should turn. No map contain what perception must learn. Seven bright arches emerge in expanse, opening slowly as consciousness advance. Constellations rearrange into unfamiliar signs. Comet dust circle through invisible lines. Distance lose meaning, direction dissolve. Questions once carried no longer need solve. A golden horizon appear without end, neither descending nor beginning to ascend. Everything present yet nothing confined. Existence revealed beyond matter and mind. No guard occupy the luminous border. No earthly credential establish an order. Possession remain where the physical cease. Only intention continue through the release. Complexion, no separate currency, no command. Titles have no value within this domain. Every false distinction disappear from view. What remain essential become perfectly clear. Zion, 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 Zion. Zion, welcome we without preference or claim, recognizing essence beyond earthly name. Nothing superior and nothing beneath, each presence complete in immeasurable peace. Zion, 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 no territory captured by force, nor distant location reached through conquest course. It exists wherever division become none, where separate awareness recognize itself as one. No ownership boundary, no status display, no privilege granting a more sacred way. Watch humanity fractured through appetite and pride become reconciled on the eternal side. My awareness descend toward physical frame, carrying no object and claiming no fame. The vision withdraw, yet its meaning remain. Separation creates unnecessary pain. Zion draw close when exclusion depart, when compassion govern intention and heart. Not after existence and not far away, its entrance appear through the choices we make. Beyond possession, beyond division, Zion receive we through awakened vision. Twice overlook a neutral port. Private telephone handle each discreet transport. Broker pledge loyalty to no particular side. Profit become the only principle applied. One faction receive rifles through an eastern route. Their opposition collect ammunition, moving south. He study no cause and defend no belief. Only calculate commission from prolonged grief. Cargo crate labeled industrial spare, concealing military equipment packed with care. Serial identification removed from each load. Unregistered convoy follow an indirect road. Sealed envelope secure convenient inspection. Freight agent approved without further detection. Every hidden delivery extend confrontation, increasing demand for another transaction. Blood buy gold for the dealer abroad. Luxury accumulate through organized fraud. Each additional casualty enlarging reward. Human devastation deconfigures the applaud. Negotiated ceasefire begin to take shape. Then fresh supplies arrive through a concealed escape. Both delegations accuse each other of deceit, never knowing one merchant service every fleet. He increased the price when supplies become low, collecting in currencies from each opposing row. Private aircraft wait beside the coastal zone, ready to remove him before involvement become known. Hospitals exceed their available space. Emergency workers confront each damaged case. Reservoir ruptured, electrical services displaced, civilians search for temporary peace. No commission statement include what them endure. No luxury account calculate a medical cure. Distance allow him to remain unconcerned, while every amount gained represents something burned. Not flame, but a life permanently overturned. Transport routes converge to identical firms. Matching identification reveal coordinated terms. Photographs connect him to each supply division. Financial transfers demonstrate deliberate decision. The broker disappeared before arrests can begin, leaving vacant property and evidence within. But wealth carried outward cannot alter its source. Every polished possession retain human cost. Blood buy gold, but gold cannot clean the suffering concealed behind wealth's surface sheen. Profit from combat remain morally obscene. No fortune can separate itself from where it has been. Two sides supplied, one broker paid, countless lives altered, no innocence claimed. Dreadlock secured beneath a cotton band. Race number fixed and determination planned. Competitors launch with excessive speed, not to maintain what the distance required. Foreign spectators study each unfamiliar face, while in focus entirely upon managing the race. No grand prediction and no boastful display, only careful preparation being tested today. Section pass with him breathing control. Heat gather heavy heavily across the open road. Water station missed through a crowded approach. Still him continue without blaming the course. Several fast starters begin falling behind. Their opening excitement no longer refined. Not to preserve energy, posture and pace, moving with discipline through demanding space. Near mile 18 left calf contract. Sharp pain forcing movement to crack. He stopped briefly and assessed what remained, knowing reckless effort could deepen the strain. Medical vehicle offer transport ahead, but accepting assistance would cancel the event. He declined the shortcut, reduce every stride, choosing completion without injuring pride. Hey, not the old firm when the body protests. No medal required to confirm him best. Effort of meaning beyond public success. Integrity determine the value of the test. Careful delay, though leading competitors are already far away. Empty sections challenge concentration alone. Every remaining distance enter true bone. Officials at checkpoints confirm him advance. No one authorized did improve circumstance. He continued responsibly, refusing pretense, carrying endurance beyond inconvenience. Stadium entrance finally open ahead. Sweat mark the vest and exhaustion spread. Position no matter the purpose, stay clear. Complete what was started without interference. He crossed upright, then lower he made. Not a surrender but relief instead. Victory no always mean arriving first. Sometimes it means surviving the worst. Not the old firm without vanity claim. No manufactured triumph and no borrowed fame. Honest completion establish him name. Character endure when reward never came. Course completed, shortcut refused. Oh yeah, strength fully tested, integrity proved. Sleep, little seed beneath cover of time. Rain know your spirit and sun know your sign. History still alive. When season turn right, every seed shall rise. Sister Moriah won one cedarwood case. No gold chain rests in the secret space. Only dark kernels and paper wanting. Dates from each harvest carefully written. Parish names marked in a fading blue line. Each one preserved from an earlier time. She got them quiet through pressure and pride. Cause future stay folded wherever seed hide. Seed hide, but it never surrender. Sleep through the hardship from June to December. Culture stay breathing, though covered from sight. Life wait patient till the season turn right. There was one year when them burn every plot, carry away tools and destroy what them spot. Many lose courage and abandon them care, but Moriah preserve what was precious and rare. Not out of cowardice, shame or defeat. Timing protect what aggression would eat. While authority celebrate what it destroy, she nurture tomorrow without making Yet every small label remain neat within. She choose one youth with a disciplined way, one who plant food before seeking display. Him study each season, each rainfall and strain. Learn how to nurture without chasing fame. Sacred inheritance require conduct and care. What survive danger must be handled fair. From the roll deep like a pulse underground. Kete drum scatter one delicate sound. Maracas whisper while the bass slowly glide. Nothing truly sleeping when creation reside. First gentle shower touch the red earth bed. Young roots awaken where old fear had spread. Cassava stand guard and corn farm align. Sacred green branches rise healthy and fine. Moriah sits smiling beneath cotton tree. Watch hidden history return openly. No monument needed, no marble with pride. Her living remembrance grow from seed high. Seed high, then the green shoot appear. Carry old courage into a new year. Guard every heritage with patience as guide. Tomorrow stay living wherever seed high. Rainfall arrive deep under side. Every promise survive. All lands rest while new roots provide. Culture live on through the seed where did hide. Sleep like a seed beneath cover of time. Rain, know your spirit, and sun, know your sign. History's still alive. When season turn right, every seed shall rise. Sister Moriah own one cedarwood case. No gold chain resting at the secret space. Only dark kernels and paper wanting. Dates from each harvest carefully written. Parish names marking a fading blue line. Each one preserved from an earlier time. She guard them quiet through pressure and pride. Cause future stay folded wherever seed hides. Seed hide, but it never surrender. Sleep through the hardship from June to December. Culture stay breathing though covered from sight. Life wait patient till the season turn right. Oh, oh. There was one year when them burn every plot. Carry away tools and destroy what them spot. Many lose courage and abandon them care. But Moriah preserve what was precious and rare. Not out of cowardice, shame or defeat. Timing protect what aggression would eat. While authority celebrate what it destroys. She nurture tomorrow without making noise. The seed high while the harsh wind pass. Safe from the flame and the boot on the grass. No force can finish what memory provide. Lineage continue wherever seed high. Oh, oh. Years move forward and her eyesight grow dim. Yet every small label remain neat within. She choose one youth with a disciplined way. One who plant food before seeking display. Him study each season, each rainfall and strain. Learn how to nurture without chasing fame. Sacred inheritance require conduct and scare. What survived danger must be handled fair. Thunder roll deep like a pulse underground. Get the drums scatter one delicate sound. Maracas whisper while the bass slowly glide. Nothing through the sleeping when creation reside. First gentle shower touch the red earth bed. Young roots awaken where old fear had spread. Cassava stand guard and corn form a line. Sacred green branches rise healthy and fine. Moriah sits smiling beneath cotton tree. Watch hidden history return openly. No monument needed, no marble with pride. Or living remembrance grow from seed height, seed height. Then the green shoot appear. Carry all courage into a new year. Guard every heritage with patience as guide. Tomorrow still living wherever seed hide. Rainfall arrive. Deep under soil every promise survive. Old hands rest while new roots provide. Culture live on through the sea where it hide. Lane. Hold your nerve when hard boots parade. Night turn bitter in a the yard raid. Yummy no bone rest beside in a milk cup. Kerosene flame low, low swole lock up. Three heavy knocks, then the door fly wide. Uniform crowd, every space inside. Cold torch sweep over ceiling and bed. Little ones wake with confusion and dread. No paper get shown, only orders get made. Peace disappearing at the midnight raid. Yard raid. Board floor shake. Draw fling open and the floor sack break. Them damage the house beneath color of law. But dignity remain though them splinter the door. Hey. Mattress get ripped and the cupboard turn out. Family photograms scatter all about. One pouch of herb from a prayerful night become them excuse fi continue them spite. Rum shop blue under government seal. Yet sacred meditation earn handcuff steel. Them carry one father while in family afraid. Double standard justice drive the yard raid. Yard raid. Old lane awake. Every neighbor see the destruction they make. Them can seize possession and bruise people sore. But them can't command every conscience next door. Nobody throw a buckle or reach for a blade. Calm observation become barricade. One woman mark numbers with pencil and card. One youth know the hour from a clock in him yard. Carpenter measure every board where them split. Teacher write statements while the details still fit. Evidence gather without anger display. Facts become strength by the following day. Hand drum tighten then the bass cut beer. Melody come on through the unsettled air. One rim shot answer like a courthouse knock. Silence hold firm while the tape echo talk. Parish all feel when the hearing begin. Taylor and Mason bring testimony in. No proper warrant and no danger get found. Only broken furniture spread on the ground. Church fall apart when the records align. Father walk home after difficult time. New door get fitted but the scar never fade. Whole district organize against another raid. Yard raid. Know the records remain. Names, times, and damage written down plain. Authority must answer when it violate law. People guard freedom without starting war. Hey, yeah, yeah. New doors stand. Steady resolve, move across the land. Night left a scar, but courage was made. Justice keep watch after the hard rain. Oh farmer, hold firm on the land. Try breeze blow, but oh, guide your hand. Guard every seed, soil give life when you serve what it needs. January sun bleach the banana leaf, earth crack open like a mouth full of grief. Spring slow down to one cup at a time. Dust coat the pumpkin and the young sweet lime. Farmer save seed in a calabash shell. Read cloud movement and know weather well. Though empty barrel make hardship expand, him tighten him belt and continue fit plant. Farmer stand when the dry breeze blow, guard every seed where the old people sow. Cloud may delay and the river run low, but patient labor make the green shoot show. Produced by a reach before crop mature. Offer one price we could never secure. School fee lamp pile or repair for the roof. Smooth conversation, I dishonest proof. Farmer reject it though him pocket still lean. Better wait steady than surrender the green. Him carry him basket straight down to the square. Sell to the people with a measure we fear. Farmer stand, keep your balance and pride. No make quick money turn principle aside. Honest provision from mountain to sun. Nation need better when the farmer can stand. Trenches across the incline, mulch round the cassava and shelter the vine. Catch roof water in an old metal drum. Compost dry bush till the good earth come between yam bank. Sacred herb breed free, kept with respect, not for vanity. No poison runoff travel into the stream. Care for creation become part of the scheme. Get it up lightly, bass drum roll. Fundy keep time like a strong farmer soul. Cutlass flash once and Danny the hot sun. Work never easy but the work have it done. April cloud gather from the eastern side. Thunder cross valley and the rain open wide. Pumpkin start crawling, corn blade rise. Green return sudden before grateful eyes. First crop divide with the neighbor next door. Second reach market and provide something more. Farmer lift basket as the hillside turn grand. Drought test him spirit but the farmer still stand. Farmer stand when the hard season show. Preserve every seed and allow it to grow. Fairness in a market, good care for the land. Future still living when the farmer can stand. Rainfall bless the ground, roots grip deep, a new life gather round. From ridge to valley, hear the harvest band. Earth keep giving when the farmer stand.
Babylon frightened.
Oh yeah. Yeah. people start sing, oh yeah. Every sufferer unite. Babylon frightened when the mind catch sight. Justice with name, time and place. No idle session and no foolish game. Each reasoning circle investigate a claim. When facts reach the lane and excuses get thin, Babylon feel where the shaking begin. Babylon frightened when the sufferer unite. When chalk touch board and them thoughts take flight, them no fear smoke, cause the knowledge them fight. Whole scheme tremble when the people see right. School lost, window loose, student slot. Roof carry hole and the desk sit flat. Government promise disappear every year, so tree market mothers bring lesson books there. Carpenter build benches, mason patch wall. Retired schoolmaster come answer the call. Children learn numbers, geography and pen. Babylon lose power when them educate them. Babylon frightened when the young ones learn. Question every contract and the wages them earn. Them can't rule forever through confusion and spite. Knowledge build armor, Babylon can't fight. Gather by the warehouse door. Count every shipment them unload pan shore. Boss claim shortage while the ledger show gain. Men break them backbone yet the payment remain. Them farm one council and calculate fears. And written demand with every name there. No stone through window, no warehouse flame. Discipline expose the dishonest game. Keep drum march and the bass step wide. And answer sharply from the other side. Documents ready, every figure precise. Organization stronger than intimidation device. Oh, bam. Police line gather when the march reach down, but nobody scatter, no banner come down. Teacher beside farmer, nurse beside youth, walking in order with evidence and proof. Officials retreat when the press camera flash. Public start asking where the tax money stash. No throne overturned by a bullet that night. Just thousands standing for accountable right. Babylon frightened when the people unite. When learning and courage start moving alike. Meditation prepare but organization strike. Whole structure tremble when the people see right. Oh yeah. Hear the new bell ring. Justice take shape when the records come in. Oh yeah. Every mind stand bright. Babylon frightened when the people unite. Like a question through the salty night. Slow down your spirit, make confusion clear. Wisdom speaks softly when patience draw near. Night sit heavy on the fishing pier. Old boat rocking while the shoreline disappear. Fisherman minute underneath one lamp. Sea breeze cool and the wooden boards damp. coal ember glow while him thoughts them roam, weighing every burden before carrying it home. Vapor form circles then fade from sight. Nothing lasts forever, not even tonight. Smoke bring thought, but choice prove wise. Vapor soon vanish before watchful eyes. Hold back reaction, make judgment cool. Quiet understanding overpower the fool. One wicked rumor swimming from town claim say a close brethren plan fit tear him down. Anger rise quick like a wave over stone. Vengeance start knocking but him leave it alone. In count 7 breaths while the tide moves slow, cause I've told stories of far fi go. Now every loud whisper deserve a reply. Truth need time before judgment apply. Smoke carry question across the Black Sea. Patience unlock what temper can't see. Tongue stay guarded till the facts come true. A steady heart know what action fi do. While the harbor still calm, wanted one passage through hidden bay, with dangerous cargo before break of day. Fishermen study every smile and disguise. Greed wear perfume but corruption of eyes. He refused the payment and loosened the rope. Better small break than a fortune without hope. Flute sail high where the seabird glide. Bass move deep like the turning tide. Rim shot echo from the warehouse wall. Wisdom stand firm when temptation call. Sunrise reveal what the darkness conceal. The rumor was planted to fracture what real. Two old companions meet down by the quay. Clear every grievance without hostility. When the baskets unlatch, no blood pan the harbor, no friendship destroy. Patience protect what hunger would have hide. Smoke bring thought, but works through wise. Truth stand solid when the vapor them rise. Truth's clean living when temptation come. Wisdom walks steady when confusion done. Ooh, harbor light fade. Made. Smoke drift away where the night bird flew. Clear mind, clean hands, and a purpose stay true. When the whole yard still, Charlie sent a message from the foot of the hill. No tongue in the cup, yet the meaning walk. Listen with your spirit when the chalice talk. Clay vessel pan a cedar board. No jewel decorated, no silver card. Elder and steady as the evening fall. Cold glow red beside the limestone wall. History gather in a every small mark. From plantation morning to the freedom spark. When the circle farm and idle nights depart. Deep meditation make the chalice talk. Chalice talk in a low fire glow. Bring back the knowledge where the ancestors know. No careless boast and no vanity walk. Truth enter softly when the chalice stop. It recall cane field and unpaid and foreign crown drawing riches from the land. Recall brave vices them try fi contain. Songs cross the mountain and return through rain. Every unjust law leave a stain upon time. Every stolen harvest expose the crime. Though the printed history tear pages apart, memories stay a wall when the chalice stop. Chalice stop, make remembrance rise. Brush foreign dust from before we eyes. No chain can bury what remain in our heart. Culture stand firm when the chalice stop. No sell the culture fi fashionable praise. No turn sacrament into marketplace craze. No use Rastafari like costume or brand. Then ignore the hungry reaching out them and sacred meditation demand conduct clean. Love must be present in the works where you mean. If pride take control and compassion fall short, silence the ego, make the chalice stop. Trombone moan through the midnight breeze. Organ roll low underneath the trees. Rim shot crack on the bassline walk. Fun the keep time while the chalice stop. Reasoning finish and the people arise. New understanding burning bright in them eyes. One mend a rooftop, one share out grain. One clear the gutter before heavy rain. Widow get firewood, elder get care. Youth find a workshop and skill waiting there. Message turn action before morning start. Community answer when the chalice stop. Chalice stop, make righteousness move. Carry the message through the one drop groove. Guard the tradition and strengthen the art. Build up the people when the chalice stop. Coal burning low, ancient remembrance continue to flow. Dawn touch the mountain, night clouds part. Love become action when the chalice stop. Come make the reasoning whole. Kaya wake, make the inner eye see. Wisdom bring duty and duty set free. Before cock crow on the cool hillside, me sit with the elders, put vanity aside. Dew on the grass and clay on me heel. Quiet meditation show me what real. No noisy boasting, no careless display. Humble meditation prepare me for the day. When sunlight break through the tamarind shade, me spirit rise up and me conscience awake. I awake clear mist from me eyes. No run from duty when consciousness rise. Reasoning guide every step when me make. Mind gets steady when the car awake. Me see one picnic walk school without shoes, while big man table have plenty fi choose. Market woman labor from morning till night, yet middleman robber and call it him right. If me only chant strengthen the weak. Truth lose meaning if action not speak. I awake, make compassion grow. Open me heart to the suffering me know. No empty promise and no handshake faith. Service becomes sacred when the cry awake. Cloud and flame, face every weakness and call it by name. Control your temper, keep greed from your gate. Listen with patience before judging fate. Clean up your conduct, make your purpose stand. Wisdom without balance, mash up in a hand. No ketty drum knock, on the answer clear. Bassline roll and chase away fear. Organ bubble while the guitar string shake. Whole yard feel it when the car away. Now youths clear bush for your community field. Plant your man call fi increase the yield. Elders teach craft underneath mango tree. Knowledge pass forward and strengthen we. Water share failure when the dry season tough. Every household gather and every hand enough. No single hero and no selfish name. Collective awakening kindle the flame. Kaya wait make the whole village rise. Truth in our heart and purpose in our eyes. Build with each other, give more than you take. Nation grow stronger when the kaya wake. Wake up, wake up, wake up. New morning appear. Love get louder and the pathway get clear. I awake but good work seal fade. Consciousness live when the people create. Morning light sweep over the hill. Her bear witness, creation speaks still. Oh, rain falls soft on the sea. Truth take root where the people have need. Her bear witness, witness every deed. You rest bright on the hillside green. Farmer rise before Babylon machine. Barefoot truck run deep through clay. Food feed the people yet law block the way. Them search him basket and question him them. Turn sacred plant into criminal shame. Sunlight expose what darkness permit. The field keep record and herd witness it. Earth bear witness when poor people cry. Leaf never bend for accommodate life. Mark every bruise, every hungry picnic. Truth grow green where oppression should be. Them tax the cane and them fence the spring. Then blame hungry hands when suffering begin. Heavy boot, crush seed in a ground. But rain carry life without making sound. No courtroom chain can imprison the root. Season return and reveal every truth. What them condemn still strengthen the weak. Herb hold the memory Babylon can't delete. Herb bear witness beneath burning sun. Count every battle Babylon begun. No bribe can silence what creation declare. Justice take root when resistance prepare. Yeah. Elders form circle when evening descend. Reasoning deep while the heartbeat extend. No smoke we hiding or careless display. Quiet meditation illuminate the way.
bassline roll like river through stone. Organ answering an ancient tone. Every calm breath make confusion growth in before changing the world. Seek truth within. Oh, call gently, from the unsallow. Be a strong awaken. Every seed below, leaf may keep silent, but silence carry weight. When truth start growing, falsehood meet faith. One day the padlock will rust from the gate. Farmer walk free without carrying hate. Children will learn why the old one stood. Protecting a seed, Babylon is understood. No vengeance planted, no bitterness sown. Only clean justice inside of our own. From Kingston lane to the mountain mist, history remember our herb bear witness. Herb bear witness, let righteousness rise. Green testimony beneath open skies. Chains lose power when the people persist. Truth cannot perish while herb bear witness. Leaf remember. Oh, roots remain. Truth rise stronger after every rain. Herb bear witness. Again and again.
If no lie, green leaf turn beneath morning sky. Man tongue twist but leaf no lie. Roots know why. Truth stay living while false words die. Merchant till scale when we don't come near. Wipe off him smile when the truth appear. Promise one measure, deliver one half. Then hide exploitation behind easy laugh. Leave on the hillside axe, nothing fi gold. Never change color fi flatter the bowl. Nature keep balance without disguise. Mouth may deceive, but leaf no lie. Leaf no lie, leaf no pretend. Show who sincere and who counterfeit friend. When polished stories start multiplying, root answer plainly. Leaf no lie. Big man arrive with a speech well dressed. Hold pan him finger, corruption punches. Tell hungry youths that tomorrow soon come. Then feast behind walls when the daylight done. But wind shake branches and scatter him claim. Rain wash the paint from beneath him name. No title can purchase creation's reply. Babylon boasts, but leaf no lie. Leaf no lie when the pressure increase. Carry clean reasoning, justice and peace. Falsehood may climb, but it cannot grow high. Truth hold is silent, and leaf no lie. Before pointing outward, examine within. Pride build a doorway where error walking. Herb teach patience, not vanity crown. Wisdom stay humble and arrogance strong. Reason with elders, give children a place. Listen before bringing judgment in haste. A clean meditation makes hidden thoughts clear. Truth in a conscience has nothing to fear. Oh, melodica cry through the cool evening air. Trombone answer like a call unto prayer. Bass walk steady while the hand drum replies. Strip off deception, leaf no lie. No market scale level, the widow receive. Youth plant provision instead of just grief. Neighbor share water when dry season long. Each honest action make community strong. No sword necessary, no palace must fall. Truth change the village
privilege by touching us all. From field unto table, let fairness arise. People stand up right when leaf no lie. Leaf no lie, make the whole world know. Truth needs sunlight and good soil fi grow. False crown crumble beneath watchful eyes. Roots keep speaking and leaf no lie. Leaf no lie. Under moon or morning sky, roots stay firm. Truth testify. Man tongue twist, but leave no lie.